Welcome to Wired for Keto review. In this video, we are going to provide you with the Wired for Keto review, and give you a comprehensive detail it. It is not people aren't aware that keto is based on low carb and high fat. The problem with most people like me and you is that we couldn't be consistent in following the diet properly. We start diets with high motivation and the goal of sculpting our dream body. But what is that stopping everyone from reaching the goal? Wired for Keto program talks about the secrets that drain people from achieving long-term success following a keto diet. Let's look at how Wired for Keto program can help you in correcting your approach towards the keto diet and get your dream body. What is Wired for Keto? Wired for Keto is a proven method to rewire your subconscious mind with the weight goals and improve your determination to strictly follow the diet on a long-term basis. The keto diet is different from other kinds of diets and it requires you to change the entire lifestyle. The creator of Wired for Keto program asserts that one needs their brain's support for the handwork to achieve long-term results through keto diet. Wired for Keto program claims to support you follow the keto diet properly. Wired for Keto program claims to change your life through the 5 key ways. Wipe out the myths and misconceptions and helping you learn everything about the keto diet. Ignite weight loss by rewiring the brain. Reframe the brain to focuses on weight loss goals and avoid temptation. Establish eating habits that support weight loss. Develop an attitude that lets you be more confident enough to support a keto-based lifestyle. Wired for Keto program includes healthy meal plans, recipes, and ebook guides to help you strictly follow the keto diet. What's included in Wired for Keto? Wired for Keto program is a combination of ebooks, audio guides, and cookbooks to support your diet in every way. Unique keto diet strategy includes the following: an ebook guide on everything about the keto diet. Strategies to rewire your brain to stick to the diet for long. 3 audio meditation guides. 4 keto e-cookbooks. It includes a 4-week keto meal plan and recipes, a keto smoothie recipe book, keto air fryer recipes, and keto dessert recipes. 4-week meal plan ebook. Weekly keto meal plan. Keto grocery list. 50 video recipes for keto meals. Features of Wired for Keto program. Wired for Keto is a unique program that takes a different approach towards the keto diet and lifestyle. Wired for Keto program takes you through several unique strategies and affirmations to help rewire your brain for the keto diet. Some of the key features of the program include: Wired for Keto program is easy to follow. Gives you complete guidance on diet and lifestyle. Helps you get rid of the common myths and misconceptions about the keto diet. Guides you to change your mindset towards diet, weight loss, and meditation. Teaches you everything about the keto diet. Helps you understand the common mistakes you make while following a keto diet. Supports you to form healthy lifestyle habits. Alters your mindset to be confident and positive. Helps you eat well even when you are on a low-carb diet. Why Wired for Keto program is useful? Wired for Keto program ebook is highly useful to address our misconceptions towards diets, especially ketogenic diet. Most people are reluctant to follow the keto diet as there is a common notion that it is difficult to cope with the restrictions. Wired for Keto guide helps you enjoy all the food as you did before while keeping the keto diet proportions intact. No matter even if you don't know how to cook, Wired for Keto program contains video recipes to help you cook healthier foods smarter. Wired for Keto program also helps you in understanding every nook and cranny of the keto diet. With the program, you will be able to feel more confident and positive-minded. You will learn strategies to prevent unnecessary food cravings and temptations. In short, Wired for Keto is highly useful to rewire your lifestyle to a completely healthy one. Who can benefit from Wired for Keto? Anyone with an intention to lose weight through a keto diet can benefit from Wired for Keto program. Customers have attested Wired for Keto program to be highly beneficial to maintain a healthy body. If you are someone looking to lose weight, you can also reap benefits following Wired for Keto program. People who find it difficult to follow the keto diet and those who have dropped it in halfway can also benefit from Wired for Keto program. Included. If you are someone who has been trying to lose weight, you can go for Wired for Keto program without thinking twice. The only thing you might find difficult would be to cope with a ketogenic diet. However, Wired for Keto program makes it easier for you to comply with it.